Hi everyone out there on YouTube, this is David from DP Computing. I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of an Asus Vivobook X507UB notebook. So this is the outside of the case, as you can see. That's it there, the front, the back, nothing too flash. Side, the other side. Just gives you the serial numbers and some things on there. And down here we've got the specs of the machine. If I can read it upside down, I'll just actually turn it the other way. Here we go. Yes, as I was saying, it's got a 15.6 inch screen, 2 gig video, Intel i7-7500U, 256 gig SATA SSD, an optical drive, 8 gig of RAM, wireless, a USB 3 and 2 USB 2. It's got Windows 10, 64-bit, and power cord and a 3-cell 33 watt-hours battery. So what I'll do now is just open it up. So just got a little bit of tape there. And there you can see the inside, so I'll just turn it around a bit better. So under here we've got the battery. So that's the usual Asus square battery there. And it's an Australian power cord because I'm in Australia. And here's the actual unit itself. And then there's just two little books. I'll just put them to the side. So the books, we've just got the warranty card. So warranty information talks about all the warranty period and so forth, what's excluded. And contact numbers for warranty. And this here is just your user guide. Top view of a 14-inch, 15-inch. We got the 15-inch, where all the I/O ports are, getting started, and just some safety information there. So what I'll do, the actual unit itself is just in these cardboard protection. Then it's in its own little bag, just slide it out. I'll just turn it around again. Just on here, just repeats what the CPU is. This one, it says it's got no optical drive. The other box said it does have an optical drive, so I'm a bit confused there. 8 gig of RAM, Windows 10, 256 gig SSD. Here it just says Nano Edge display for immersive visuals, lightweight, extremely portable, super battery. There's a bit more details there, so just the normal trackpad, keyboard, and you've got a number pad there as well. The screen, that's as far back as it goes, so it doesn't go back too far. So that's the top there. The bottom just gives you model number, Windows, sticker. On this side we've got one USB and a Kensington lock slot. On the front there's no slots or anything. And over here looks like we've got power, 2 USBs. Let's see here. Looks like a reset or something. Oh no, I think they're LEDs for power and hard drive lights. got an SD card reader or slot there, HDMI, and headphones. So over here it just looks like, I don't think you got it before, just a couple of LEDs there. So there you have it. There's a quick unboxing of the Asus Vivobook X507UB. Thank you for watching, and please check out our YouTube channel for more unboxings and teardowns. Thanks again. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.